Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 30th July 2021. Essence. Sweet children, you mustn't have any of the desires that people of this old world have, because this world is to be destroyed. Question. What desire should you have at the confluence age so that all your desires are fulfilled for all time? Answer. I have to become pure, remember the Father, and claim my full inheritance from Him. Just have this one desire, for it is with this desire that all other desires will be fulfilled forever. May you have a long life. May you have a son. May you be wealthy. You receive all of these blessings. In the golden age, all your desires will be fulfilled. Song. You are the mother and you are the father. The essence for dharana is, point number 1, don't have any wrong type of desire in this iron-aged world. In order to become completely Sato Pradhan, follow God's directions. Point number 2, only have the one desire to return home after becoming pure. Your final thoughts will lead you to your destination. So, don't waste your time with the storms of Maya. Today's blessing is, may you be an easy yogi who is cooperative at every second and in every thought by experiencing the Father's constant company. Again, may you be an easy yogi who is cooperative at every second and in every thought by experiencing the Father's constant company. Just as while a soul and a body have a part, they cannot be separated, in the same way, let the Father's remembrance never be separated from your intellect. Constantly keep the Father's company. Let no other awareness attract you. This is known as being an easy and natural yogi. Such yogis are cooperative at every second in their thoughts, words, and actions. Cooperative means not to have a single thought without giving cooperation. Such yogis and cooperative children become powerful. Slogan. Instead of being an embodiment of problems, become an embodiment of solutions who finishes all problems. Again, instead of being an embodiment of problems, become an embodiment of solutions who finishes all problems. Om Shanti.